Hi students, in this video we are going to learn question number 3 from exercise number 6.5. A 15-meter long ladder reached a window 12-meter high from the ground and placed it against the wall. So they have given the diagram here. So this is a wall, here is the window. They kept a ladder that is 15-meter long. So the window is at the height of 12 meter from the ground is mentioned. Now we need to find the distance between the ladder and the wall. This A only we need to find out. So find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall they are asking. This A is a question mark. Look at the diagram. This is a right angle triangle because the wall and the ground will make always 90 degree. Now since it is a Pythagoras theorem, we can apply the Pythagoras theorem due to this a right angle triangle. So according to the Pythagoras theorem, we can say that hypotenuse square is equal to side squared plus side squared. S squared plus S squared means side squared plus side squared. Look at the diagram. Which is the longest side means this ladder is the longest side because the side which comes opposite to the 90 degree is the longest side. So the 15 is the longest side, right? The hypotenuse place is 15 square which is equal to side squared plus side squared. One side is 12, the another side is A. So one side is 12 square, the another side is A squared, we have to take it. 15 15s are 225 which is equal to 12 12s are 144 plus A squared. Our aim is to find the A value only. So we have to take the plus 144 to that side, that will become minus 144. So 225 minus 144 equal to A squared, we can write it. Subtraction 5 minus 4 is 1. So 2 minus 4 is not possible. So borrowing 12 minus 4 will give you 8. 81 equal to A squared. So 81 is nothing but 9 9s are 81. So 9 square equal to A squared, we can write it. Since the powers are equal, bases are also equal. So A is equal to 9. So all the values are given in meters in the question, 12 meter, 15 meter. So A is 9 meter. So the ladder is 9 meter away from the wall. That is your correct answer. Look at the fourth question now. Which of the following can be the sides of a right triangle? That is a right angle triangle we need to identify. So which and all satisfying the Pythagoras theorem, definitely that will form a right angle triangle. So we have to check whether the hypotenuse square value is equal to side squared plus side squared or not. We need to check. Hypotenuse is nothing but the longest side. So in this given measurement, so the given measures are 2.5, 6.5 and 6. In these three, which is a big one we have to identify. We know that 6.5 is a big one. So that should be considered as a hypotenuse value. So hypotenuse is 6.5 squared we have to take. Other two sides, one is 2.5, the another one is 6. So 2.5 squared plus this S is 6 squared. Now 6.5 means, children, you just look into that. 65 can be written as 65 into 65. What is the answer means? 6 7s are 42 and 5 squared is 25. Like this we can write it, which is equal to, here after 1 point we are getting the dot, in square it will be the 2 points. So 42.25 is the correct answer. 25 square, that is 2.5 squared, you just think as a 25 square. 2, the next number is 3. 2 3s are 6, 25. So here you should keep the dot. 6.25 plus 6 squared value 36. Now this side we are getting 42.25 which is equal to 36 means that is 36.0 we have to think. 36.0, 6.25. Here also we can add a 0. So 5, 2, 6 plus 6, 12, balance 1. So we are getting 42.25. So both the sides are same. That is hypotenuse square and the side squared plus side squared value are same. So it is satisfied. So it satisfied the Pythagoras theorem. So we can say that given measures forms the right angle triangle. So given measures forms a right angle triangle. Like this we have to answer. Right angled triangle. Right angled triangle under the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, next one. Look at the second problem. Look at one more problem, second one. Our question is 2 centimeter, 5 centimeter is a question. So we need to identify whether it forms a right angle triangle or not. If it is a right angle triangle, definitely this should satisfy the Pythagoras theorem. So under Pythagoras theorem, we can say that hypotenuse square should be equal to side square plus side square. This we know that already. Now if it is satisfied, it forms a right angle triangle, otherwise it's not. Now 2, 5, which is a big number, we have to identify. 5 is a big number. So definitely this should be taken as a hypotenuse value. So in the place of hypotenuse, we can write it 5 squared. Other two sides are 2 squared and 2 squared. So 2 squared plus 2 squared, we can write it. So 5 squared value, 5 5s are 25, which is equal to 2 squared is 4. Again 2 squared is 4. So this side we are getting 25, this side we are getting 8. Both are not equal. So not satisfied. So the given three measures are not satisfying your Pythagoras theorem. So the given measures, GN means given measures not forming a right angle triangle. It's not forming a right angled triangle because the given measures is not satisfying the Pythagoras theorem. It's not forming a right angled triangle. So that is your correct answer. That's all students. Thank you for watching. Like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.